Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn to unfollow someone on LinkedIn. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go on your profile, and here you have to scroll down. Look at the interests. Here all the companies or people you are following will be shown here, and you can easily unfollow by clicking following button. Click on the following button and you can unfollow any company or people from here. So guys, this is how to unfollow someone in LinkedIn. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.